Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Ariston brand 8 kg condensation system dryer. This machine we can start, but machine fabric also getting dry, not 100% dry. It's not getting 100% dry because the drum not rotating. Now I'm going to repair this machine. I will show you how to repair this one. We have to check first of all what is the problem exactly. After that only we can decide what we can do. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. I'm selecting here any dry option. Also now it is empty. You can see here drum. Now I'm starting machine. The machine is running. You can hear the noise. Motor okay. Drum not rotating. It's my belt broken. Otherwise ideal pulley. Otherwise adjustable pulley. Adjustable pulley. If something happen, because of that only this issue coming. 100% we know the problem. Motor is okay. Drum not rotating. That's mean we will open the drum here. While here it is loose, no getting stuck. Drum is okay. Now I want to show you here. This one the customer actually never clean the filter. Always you have to keep this filter clean, otherwise drum belt chance to break belt immediately quickly, because the early also I make one video. This all the lints, see, you can see it is too much lint, and this is the reason belt getting damaged quickly, because most probably customers they don't know, they are not cleaning well. This one every cycle filter has to be clean. We have to clean the filter, otherwise it's happening like that, belt melting because the drum getting hot too much. At the same time melting belt, chance to break. Now we will open the machine. First of all we have to open the top cover. After that side cover. This machine having actually right side cover only we have to remove. After that we can check. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. Now we are going to remove the top cover. We have to remove 2 screws back of the machine. After that we can release the top cover. Now we can check what is the problem exactly. Now you can see here the belt, no any problem, belt is okay, belt no damage. I thought actually belt broken, now it is the another issue. Belt is okay. The problem we have to check. We have to remove the side cover. After that we can identify. We have to remove these screws. After that we can remove the side cover. Now we can remove the side cover. Now we can identify what is the exactly problem with this machine. Now its belt actually it came out. The problem is this one, the adjustable pulley, otherwise ideal pulley, it is already broken. See, you can see here, this is the problem. This one already broken. Now we have to remove this blower cover. After that we can identify. Now we have to remove this blower cover here. After that we can take the pulley. This one already damaged, that's why its belt going off. Belt went out. Now we have to check this one. We have to remove and we have to refix another one, and we have to remove this blower cover here, and here lock, we can take it. Yeah, it's like that, we can take it out. Also this one also we have to take it out. And now we will take it out blower. This one having clamp here. This clamp we have to remove. After that we can take it out blower. You can see here, it's very easy job for us. Now we have to take it out. You can see here, my dear, this is the problem. This one already broken, this one damaged. We cannot repair, we have to replace anyway. And what I'm going to do, I will remove this one also. And I will remove here. This one actually a little bit nut also is little bit loose. That's the reason I thinking, but anyway. Now you can see here, this one already got damage. We cannot use anymore. Now if we are going to replace this one, new one, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you. It is very easy method. Otherwise we have to remove the motor, also back of the heater side screws we have to remove. After that we have to turn this one. Now no need to do anything, just simply I will show you how to replace the ideal pulley, otherwise adjustable pulley. Now I will show you how to replace that one. This one already broken. Now I'm going to show you easy way how to replace this one. Now we are lucky, actually no damaged belt, also motor, everything perfect. Now just simply we have to replace this ideal pulley, otherwise adjustable pulley. Now this one actually any other models having with the spring. This one no spring, it is permanent fix. Because of that, now we have to fix like that, otherwise we have to remove the back of the motor and we have to turn the motor. After that only we can replace this one. Now I'm going to show you how to replace this easy way. Now this is the same, but this one coming with the here pin, but here this is with the bearing. That is no any different, both are same. You can see here both pulley same. Now what I'm going to do, I'm fixing here first. This nut I have to fix first, but don't tight pulley, just simply we have to tight. Now enough, just keep like that loose, because here lock also coming. This lock, this lock, it should come to here. Because of that, keep like that. Now after that we have to take it belt here. Now belt, with the belt only we can take it out, take it back here. Now I will show you. Now with the belt we have to keep here until locking. We have a little bit tight more. It should come here closer, close. Now it will be okay. It is belt tension, it should come, otherwise it's having problem. Now you can see it is very easy. Now I already fixed. Now I have to tight other screw also, other nut also here. If it is not doing like that, we have to remove motor and lot of job, more job. This is the easy way, easy method. No need to remove all the machine. Just simply we have to fix like that, tight properly. Now other screw also we can tight. Yes, enough. Now you can see here. Now it's okay. You can see it's very easy job for us. No need to overhaul all the machine. Otherwise we have to remove fully. Now it is okay. Now you can see. Now we can fix blower. We have to clean little bit here. After cleaning we will fix. Now we have to fix here. Now I already cleaned the blower also. Now we can fix here. Now you can see here. Now I already fixed blower properly. Until here we have to fix. Otherwise here front side will touch with the cover. Now we have to fix this clamp. Now I already fixed the clamp. Now it's okay. Now we can check with the power also. Now we will check one time before closing blower and all. Now we can check here. The wire connections, everything's are perfect. No any problem. And also here. Okay, now I will give the power connection. And also we have to close the door properly. I'm selecting one option. Now you can see, dear friends, it is working without any problem. The blower, everything perfect. Now we have to complete our job. Now we have to close the ideal pulley, adjustable pulley. It's okay. No any problem. Machine running well. Now I have to close this area. After that I can complete my job. Now we have to fix here blower guard. You can see here one groove. We have to fix properly into that. It should come like that. After that it's not going here and there. Otherwise it will go. It's chance to go. If you are not fixing properly, it will go here and there. Now it's okay. Now blower also not touching with this guard. Now we can close as same before. We have to close properly this one. Now it's okay. Here lock came already. Here also one lock. Here also lock. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix harness here. This one definitely we have to fix, otherwise we touch with the belt. Now my job already completed. Now I show you how to fix ideal pulley. Very easy way. Otherwise we have to remove here. It's very difficult. Now this way is very easy. And I think you know something, you learned something while watching this video. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.